Alrighty, I thought we might take a quick trip down memory lane. So this was my very first attempt of doing the facial motion capture. This was a few years ago. This was before the iPhone had the facial capture, the Animojis. It was like right when people were, the facial motion capture was starting to become big. And I thought I could do it. There's a lot of things I've learned now of how I should have done it better, but I thought, just to kind of show you. So as you can see here, we actually have scripts down here. We have .py, detect landmarks and images, and then we have display. So this Python script, what it did was it used dlib, opencv, a few other Python libraries. It converted the webcam, so here, to actual landmarks in 3D, which is big because usually the landmarks is just 2D. So it was this weird Python library that I found that essentially converted the 2D landmarks to 3D. However, it took a few minutes per frame in order to do the conversion. So the entire process of just processing this little video, like 24 seconds, took an hour to convert to 3D points. And then I had display, which then converted the 3D points to something Blender could actually understand, which would be the face.pickle. So I actually have a Python script in here, as you can see here, that actually converts it. So real quick, so let's see if I can just play these at the same time.
Pascal. This is a
Hello,
test. My name is Pascal. This is a motion capture. Of motion capture. Hello.
So as you can see, it's really jiggly. It's not smooth at all.
Is Pascal.
So I kind of just scraped the
Is
project
Pascal.
and just kind of hope that later on technology would be advanced enough to actually do what I wanted to do.